Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can get traffic and sales without having any website. So if you're a beginner watching this video and you have few hundred bucks on the side and thinking to yourself, what is the best way for me as an affiliate, for someone who is starting out to get quick buck, to get quick sales and start being profitable and maybe later on start running their own ads. So the best traffic source out there that I believe is the better way for someone who is a beginner, who is a newbie, who have only a few hundred bucks available for investment, is to get buyers clicks, basically buyers traffic sent to their affiliate link. If you are newbie watching this video, you can see over here $1,000 right in commissions. You would have to have, let's say, 10 sales or 10 conversions to make $1,000 promoting a $100 product, right? So with ClickBank, what you can do over here, you see, you have different offers that you can promote. So you have many different offers that you can promote. And as you can see here, right now in 2022, you have updated ClickBank version. So you have CPay payments and you have revenue share, basically up to 100% commissions you can make promoting ClickBank products. For example, you have BioFit here, right, in the diet and weight loss niche, and EPC earning per click, right, would be $1.77. This is standard. So price of the product is $69 and average payout is $124. Now, how you can get traffic? The simple thing is click here on start promoting. And what I personally do is I personally suggest to my students, right, to pick the product that it's proven to work, that is high quality, right, high margin, high profit, and of course that have some upsell take rate. Upsells meaning they have some of the other products behind, right, on the end, that you can get commissions, passive income from promoting only to one customer, one client, right? So you get one sale and you can make money multiple times from the same customer on ClickBank, right? So this is how you can make big money very quickly. So how to get traffic? Finally, let's get to the point. How you can get to the traffic? Let me show you over here. High quality traffic. So what is this new method? This new method, it's called the amplification method, which basically means you copy affiliate link from ClickBank, right? You go to the clickbank.com, you choose the product, you choose a high quality offer. If you remember, I mentioned that before. And what you do then is you copy your affiliate ID link, right? You copy that. And then what we do is we send you buyers ultra clicks. Now, what is that? It means we send audiences. So where do I get audiences? We get audiences from running ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, email lists, solo ads, right? And we combine that and we segment those audiences depend on the niche and the conversion rate they perform, right? So the best performing audiences on this hand we put together depend on the country. We have geos like US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand and UK, and we have people who are 35 years old to 65 years old living in those countries, right? Depending on the demographic and interest or niche they are in. So those are proven buyers. Then what happens, right? Most people get stuck with the hardest part, which is finding a niche. So what we do is we do the hard work for you. I do the hard work for you, which is basically I choose a high quality offer for you, right, that you can promote. And then also we send you the buyers clicks to your affiliate link. So you don't have to have a website, but you do have to copy that free link, right, from the ClickBank site. And at the end, you collect those affiliate commissions. So it's a 3-step process. The first one is we send buyers ultra clicks. The second thing is to your affiliate link. And then the third step is you collecting affiliate commissions. So this is how it works. So if you're watching this video and it's someone who is a newbie, then please click the links below here, reach out to me, and I will send you a special report, PDF, with Google Doc, where you can find out more about how it works, what is the investment, and how much you can earn in affiliate commissions promoting ClickBank products. So it does depend on how much you can afford to invest, what package you want to choose, and also, like I said, we send the traffic to your affiliate link, and then you collect those affiliate commissions, because there's many ways that you can promote affiliate links, right? But you cannot use affiliate link on Google ads or Facebook ads, right? You cannot send traffic straight to the link, right? Direct linking, it doesn't work anymore. So the best way to do the direct linking and to get some fast buck, right, to make some fast cash, is to send traffic straight to the affiliate link, and you can collect commissions. Now, I cannot promote every single offer out there. It's too much time that I would waste, right? So that's why we are offering this to you watching this video right now. You can choose the offer, and then we send the traffic your way to your affiliate link, and then you as an affiliate can start collecting those commissions. And if you're happy with the results, then you can upgrade to the higher packages and start getting more sales and more conversions. But this is one of the best ways that I know of to start generating quick buck with affiliate marketing as someone who wants to make some serious and fast results with ClickBank affiliate marketing. So again, thank you for watching this video, and for any more questions on how it works and what are the packages, please click the links below, reach out to me on social media or email, and here you can also find me on my Instagram. So if you have Instagram, you can reach out to me and you can ask me any questions. You can connect with me and I will try to reach out and also answer those questions. So if you're serious, please subscribe to my channel and click the link below to get traffic sent your way.